previous video we had completed this list of headings. See this, you can see the headings, the length of these headings. So really it will consume time in reading these headings, but of course this is reading, IELTS reading, we need to read it thoroughly. First we need to understand the meaning of all these headings and come out with important keywords. Every keyword will be different in each heading, like how I have done a contrast, some contrast. So like in task 1 we are doing contrast, compare and contrast between two historic approaches, means style and all, to documentary filmmaking. So this is not keyword. Keywords are contrast between, a contrast between two historic approaches. Okay, so in this way you can finish your list of heading. Now second type of question we have here, list of people, but I will solve this question first. Complete the summary below. Now here everyone is thinking, every student is thinking that this is easier question, but here also some questions are tricky and students are unable to find the correct answer. So how you can find the correct answer, this is also this is also an easy strategy, you can say. This is blank. Okay, so I will explain you, I will do it, just look at this, just listen it to me how I am telling. This is your blank. The words before blank and after blank, they are helpful in finding the correct answer, and sometimes here full stop is there, then words before blanks, definitely it will be helpful for finding correct answer. Okay, and of course not only this, with the help of these keywords will take us to the location in the paragraph, and then where we will get these words in the sentence, we will read it and focus mainly on no more than and long in one of its category. We will focus on these things after getting the sentence location. Okay, yes, and yes, here it is, instructions are given. It's important to read the instructions, although they have given, this is oldest reading, maybe not very oldest. Okay, so nowadays it's one word only option is coming, so that doesn't matter, we need to understand how to find correct answers. Yes, okay, they have given they have given title for this paragraph, but that doesn't matter, we need to find the Canada's hot dogs. Okay, so this we will find it, and Hamburg short film. Let's find this Canada's hot dogs, Hamburg short, Canada's hot dog. Okay, so let's move to this paragraph. So before moving, make sure to practice with me and please subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks in advance. Let's find these Canada's hot dog and Hamburg short film. This is the reading name, making documentary films. So here I am, whatever I have done, circle or underline the things, I am looking at Canada's hot dog. Nothing is there. Let's move to next page. So this is F paragraph, and I have got hot dogs festival in Canada. Canada hot dog festival, it is given, and we were looking for Hamburg also. Now the sentence structure, let's read it again. Hot Dog Festival, Canada's Hot Dog Festival has screened documentaries from more than 50 countries. So 50 countries also there. Now the actual sentence structure will start from here. Where Hamburg is there. Meanwhile, the Hamburg Short Film Festival lives up to its name by accepting films no more than dash long in its category. Okay, so let's read it. Even older is the Hamburg International Short Film Festival. As its name suggests, Hamburg specializes in short films, but one category, so category is also there, see this, but one category takes this to its limits. Entry may not exceed 3 minutes in duration. So have you understood? So read it from here till here and try to find the answer. See this, so category is also there. Try to understand the paraphrasing of this statement. Hamburg Short Film Festival lives up to the name by accepting films no more than dash long in one of its category. So even older is Hamburg Short Film Festival. As its name suggests, Hamburg specializes in short films, but one category takes to its limit, means not no more than, means limits. Entries may not exceed, this also means no more than, may not exceed 3 minutes in duration. Duration means long, length they are talking, so it means 3 minutes. You can write the spelling like that also, and only, and same 3 minutes also in English also you can write 3 minutes. This will also correct and this will also correct, so this is the answer. Now 25th, the short and sweet film festival is especially good for documentary makers who are dash. They are talking about persons, makers. The smalls, what we are looking, the short and sweet film festival. Sweet festival is here, see this. The Short and Sweet Festival is a slightly smaller event in Utah, USA. The small size of the festival means that for the first timers, here see this, the Short and Sweet Film Festival. Here the sentence is starting from here. From here, the Short and Sweet Festival is a slightly smaller event. The small size, so we are looking for persons, makers who are dash. The means that for first timers, this is the ideal venue to try to get some recognition for their films. So they are talking about documentary makers who are that. So how they have paraphrased, just look at this. So we were looking for the words before, so who are first timers. First timers will come here, full stop is there, so we were looking for documentary makers, means for the first timers, means these are the persons they are talking. So first timers, it will come here. On the basis of keywords, I have found uh, this keyword, and then we are looking for persons, documentary makers who are. So that is clear that for the first timers, this is the ideal venue for that, and that's why we have put here first timers. Now spelling correct, okay. And Atlanta Short Fest accept numerous form of documentaries, including dash, which are becoming more common. Okay, documentaries and Atlanta. So Atlanta, I can see here, Atlanta welcomes all established types of documentaries. So documentary also they have given, especially for no, documentaries, and recognizes the growing popularity of animations. So growing popularity, which are becoming more common. Okay, accept numerous forms of documentaries, including, so it means and, including and recognizing the growing popularity of animations, so which are becoming popular. So here we couldn't get the answer with the help of this the words before and after, but yes, this word have given us clue that they are talking about growing popularity, which are becoming more common. So here we will write here animation. So that's clear. Documentary, along with documentary, what is getting popular, that we need to find documentaries and animations. Now list of people, how we can do this list of people. So here person's name, definitely we will find it. And whenever we are doing first type of question, always remember, keep in mind that these persons we will be looking for next type of question. Wherever you will get these persons name, please circle it specially. Now how to do this list of people, means match each statement with the correct person. So we will go through all these questions first, understand it, and with some keywords. The creation of some new technologies, okay, did not change viewers attitude towards documentary as quickly as is sometimes proposed. Okay, the creation of some new technologies that did not change viewers attitude, that is more important. One set of beliefs and techniques help to make documentary films academically respectable. So academically respectable is important word here. The action of putting material on films essentially changes the nature of original material. The action of putting material on films, essentially some action they are putting on film, essentially changes the nature of original material. Okay, wherever we will get these words, these keywords. Suppose in one paragraph we have got this Fisher, Dr. Helmut Fisher. So in that paragraph, if a viewer's attitude they are talking, it means that would be the answer. Okay, but here only three options are there. It means that three persons name will come, not every person will not come here. Okay, no, but one more is also there. Documentary filmmakers have an obligation to include their own opinions about analysis of the real events they show in their film. So real events where they will be talking. So that is important to find this real events. Okay, now let's find this person name first. So in first paragraph, this person is here, Dr. Helmut Fisher, they are talking. So how we can get it? Wherever it is saying by this person, as the critic Dr. Helmut Fisher put it, document. Now inverted comma, we need to read it carefully, we will get the answer here. Documentary makers might have ambitions to tell the truth and show only facts, but there is no such thing as non-fiction film. That's because as soon as you record an incident on camera, you are altering its reality in a fundamental way. Okay. You are altering means changing. See this somewhere, I think they are talking about did not change viewers attitude. Now one set of beliefs and techniques help to take no technique they are talking. The action of putting material on film essentially changes the nature of original material. And fourth one, I think changes word they were here in this paragraph they are talking. Documentary filmmakers have an obligation to include their own opinions. No, their opinions about and analysis of the real events they show in their film. So nothing is given like that. I can understand from this sentence here, as you record an incident on camera, you are altering its reality in a fundamental way. So means the action of putting materials on film essentially changes the nature of original material. uh, Material, are they talking about material? So till now I will just mark it A, because here they are changing. So altering word I have got its reality in a fundamental way. See this, that I can mark it. Otherwise, if somewhere else if I get this person name or any other person name relating to this material and all, then I will change it. So in next paragraph, what other person we can get? Robert. No, Robert is not there. Another person, Nanook is there. This also not. No, this is not person. John. John is also not. The Garrison is also. Where are the persons? I am matching side by side. I am matching. So these persons are not there in this list. That's why I am not reading it. So Paula Murphy. Yes, Paula Murphy is there. Yes. So according, let's read it from here. Garrison's style of was being rejected by direct cinema movement, which wanted to produce a more natural and authentic films. Okay, cameras were handheld, no additional lighting or sound was used, and the subjects did not rehearse. According to film writer Paula Murphy, this is C. The principles and methods of direct cinema brought documentary to the attention. Let's move. Let's read another part of this paragraph. So next part of this paragraph, two lines are attention documentaries to the attention of universities, filmmakers. I think yes, universities they are talking. Film historians as never before, documentaries started to be recognized distinct genre of seriously scholarly analysis and universities. So here they were talking about academically respectable. One set of beliefs and techniques help to make. So academically word we have found here, scholarly also, universities also. So I will just mark it Mr. C. So we have marked this and this also. Now let's find another person name here in this next paragraph. Maria. Maria, yes, Maria is also there. Let's read it thoroughly. So here Maria has pointed out the argument sometimes put forward that these innovations immediately transformed transformed what the public expected to see in a documentary isn't entirely accurate. So here they are talking about public and some transformed. The creation of some new technologies did not change viewers' attitude towards documentary as quickly as is sometimes proposed. The argument sometimes put forward that these innovations, so innovations, new technology, uh, immediately sometimes put forward that these innovation immediately transformed what the public expected to see in a document isn't entirely accurate, means uh, did not change viewers attitude towards documentary as quickly as is sometimes proposed. So here it is isn't entirely accurate. So we have got connection between this sentence and this in inverted comma. Instead of new technology, innovations they have given. So digital platform cameras revolutionize the making of film. This is the technology they are talking. So here D will come. Okay, now one is left, so another person is, this is left, this person is also left. Now another person, this person is there, this person is there. Let's find what this person is saying something. The Okay. The film chronicles the everyday lives and interaction of the social media generation, was both a commercial and critical success. Filmmaker Josh Camberwell maintains that Catfish, yes, it was a movie name, embodies a new realization that documentaries are inherently subjective and this would should be celebrated. Uh, Says Camberwell, is it is a requirement for documentary makers to express a particular viewpoint and give personal responses to the material they are recorded. Yes, somewhere they were talking about including their own opinions. Documentary filmmakers have an obligation to include their own opinions about and analysis of the real events. So here it is clearly given. See, read it. It is a requirement for documentary makers to express a particular viewpoint and give personal responses of the material they are recording. So that is correctly matched with E number. Okay, this person name. That's why we have finished with the help of only keyword. I have not understood so much about the statements.